Welcome to this brief guide on Resto IQ purchasing. Purchasing is one of the three major modules of Resto IQ. Together with inventory and analytics, they help provide insights as to how your business is performing. Upon logging in, you will find purchasing on the left-hand side of the screen. It will contain these sub-modules specifically configured and permitted for your account. Some of what you may see now may be enabled or disabled on your end. For context, this is the standard process. First is the creation of purchase requests. Second, upon approval, it will be used to create a purchase order, which will be forwarded to your desired supplier or suppliers. Third is receiving the goods ordered. Under purchasing, the first submodule would be purchase orders. This is where you see all POs regardless of status if it's fully received, partially received, or not received. The second submodule is your purchase receipt. This is where you can receive the delivered goods and keep track of all of your received goods by receipt or by item. Do know that the topmost item here by default will be the most recent. The third submodule is your direct purchases. These are your purchases from grocery stores, wet markets, or other merchants, and not from your accredited suppliers. The fourth submodule is your suppliers. This is where you can see all of your accredited suppliers registered in Resto IQ. The table will provide you with pertinent information about your existing suppliers, and if you want to create a new one, you may do so by clicking this button. On the rightmost side of the table, you'll find the Actions column. Here, you can inspect this specific request and check if there's already a purchase order related to it. The fifth submodule is your purchase requests. This is where your assigned colleague will create and monitor your organization's requests. On top are some filters to narrow down your query. On the top right is the Create Request button. Then below is the table listing all existing PRs and its details. This sixth submodule is Purchase Return. This is where you can return subpar items like spoiled, broken, malfunctioning, missing, or anything alike. To start the process, just simply click the button Return a Purchase. Recall the purchase receipt number and input the quantity you're returning for the items listed. It's also nice to input a note to help recall in the future. The seventh submodule is Bulk Authorization. As the name suggests, this is where you may authorize requests sent to you in bulk. This is useful for those who are authorizing multiple requests per instance, improving efficiency. The eighth submodule is your Approval Matrix. Depending on your permission access, this is where you may view and/or edit the roles who may or may not approve requests with preset values. This is a versatile function which can add layers of approval or security to requests, improving visibility, minimizing mistakes. The ninth submodule is your Tax Master. This is where you may define tax rates for any of the items you purchase and process, and apply tax exemptions if needed. The 10th submodule is your Cost Center. This is where you can organize your cost centers, and to create one is very easy. Just click the Add Cost Center button, then input the correct name. The 11th submodule is your Order Template. This is where you create templates for documents you create repetitively without many changes. This is to improve efficiency and reduce time to create requests. This can be useful for goods with short shelf lives, and you order it on a daily basis with regular quantities. The 12th and last submodule is your Price Contract. This is where you can enter different price contracts with suppliers. Sometimes these are discounts for a time period, and you enter these to help improve efficiency when creating requests. The prices of the goods you input here will be the default price for when replenishing stock inventory. That's it for this summary of the different functions of Resto IQ purchasing. To learn more, you may visit www.mosaic-solutions.com. Thank you for watching.